Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a null sales tax return. First, determine if your business had no taxable sales activity for the reporting period. This type of return indicates zero sales, ensuring compliance even without revenue. Next, identify the specific sales tax forms your state requires for a null filing. Finally, gather all necessary business identification numbers, like your sales tax permit number, before you begin filling out the paperwork. Now, let's find those forms. Head to your state's Department of Revenue or Equivalent Tax Authority website. Look for the section on sales and use tax, and specifically search for forms related to filing a return with no sales activity. It might be labeled as a zero return or null return. Double-check that you're selecting the correct form for your specific filing period, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, to avoid any errors. With the correct form in hand, accurately enter your business name, address, and sales tax identification number. The crucial step for a null return is to clearly indicate zero sales or no taxable transactions for the entire reporting period. Most forms will have a specific line or box for this. Once completed, ensure you submit the form by the designated deadline, even if no tax is due, to maintain compliance and avoid penalties. Remember, timely filing is paramount, even for a null return, to avoid any late penalties or issues with your state's tax authority. Always keep a copy of every submitted return, along with any confirmation numbers, for your business records. This provides proof of compliance if questions ever arise. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that can make your meal prep much easier, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.